So I'm going to be swapping Greg's RX7 gearbox over today. This is the new box. Greg's already done all the hard work and unbolted everything. All the bell housing bolts are out, so we just got to pull the box off today, and then yeah, chuck this one in.
And it's just there's one that's cable. Oh, some of the wires from the car is cable tied onto there, so we just need to clip that before we.
Oh, okay.
I just need to clip the cable ties.
It's pretty much like up here is like just kind of hitting on the.
Because we've got like.
Oh, I can see the shafts
like
on the bottom. No, it's out of the engine. It's just sitting on the.
No, that shaft.
Yeah.
And the pressure plate. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not in the center anymore.
Yeah, well, it's just sitting on the pressure plate, but.
Yeah.
So it just needs to come out 10 mils and then it can drop straight down.
Yeah.
Can you see in there? This can come up a bit more.
Oh, bro, it's got like a couple mils, bro.
Yeah, so it's like very just there. So I'll just give it one more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drop it
now,
down
I think that's all we were really caught on.
Yeah. I was dropping it down, so it's coming back at the same time.
Perfect. Very good. I'm on good. I got
the box. On that.
Yeah.
I like can't feel it. I like did it round the wrong way. I just dropped fast and I was like, oh.
That's all good. I had two hands on it anyway.
Yeah. I'll just drop it down right now.
Yeah. It's bent up.
It looked like it was down. Bro, that looks so weird.
Nah, it's bent up. Oh.
Bro, that looks normal. But it looks exactly like the other one. Maybe it's just that bearing's gone.
I don't know, I don't think it's quite perfect.
It feels the same as the other one. That bearing's good.
It's the release bearing, yeah.
Have a look in there, what does that look like?
Bearing's still there.
Does it look like a normal bearing?
Yeah, it's still got all the rollers.
Yeah, that shaft looks like all good. Like straight up, if I was to look at the other one.
Pull the clutch off and then
pull it out. Yeah.
It could be something internal in the box too.
Yeah,
like,
that could be that.
I don't think it's bent, hey?
Nah. Like
because I can
like
fix my eye on one position, spin it, and it doesn't go up or down.
That seems exactly like the other one.
Yeah. So we got the box out. Not really sure what's wrong with it. The input shaft looks pretty alright. This is the new box. That's the old one. Nothing obvious really, so we're going to pull the clutch off and have a look at that.
I guess that is something to do with the clutch.
Oh no, is this going to crack those though?
Yeah, trying to damage those.
There's some bits falling out of that. Like dust, clutch dust. You think it's an unsprung ceramic?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's the Green Brothers one.
Ooh. Okay, that clutch disc is gonna fall down. Whoa, that's pretty blue, bro.
That feels nice.
Holy.
Bro, look at that, missing a bit of stuff.
Bro. That's a new clutch.
Bro. Oi, Matt, that's it there.
Yeah, it's welded.
So
it was welded.
Yeah. And then that bit's been going around and just like that's what's been making that sound.
Yeah.
I just wasted $2,000 on a gearbox.
So flywheel's got to come off and get machined,
so I do need
and
you
need
need
a new clutch.
Right. Oh, that's alright. I mean, you had to take the gearbox off.
Good. We can probably reuse box.
I reckon reuse that same one.
Then we don't have to muck around with it, and that bearing's probably good.
Because that other one's just 100,000 K's one from Japan, bro. Like, hasn't even been rebuilt.
Whoa.
So.
Whoa, is this flywheel held on with that?
Yeah.
What the heck? How do you get that off?
It's just a big ass nut.
Me?
So the question is, do we need to do that?
The bearing.
Yeah.
I'd do it. Because you got to pull the flywheel off anyway.
Yeah.
You may as well do it. Yeah, you have to get this machined, though.
Oh, yeah. I can just scratch off.
That is stuffed. Yeah, get it skinned. It's like $50.
That's
That-
because
like,
like,
see
what
how-
happened to this? And
See
then it's
how,
like, oh,
see
yeah,
how
man.
blue this is? I just saw the blue. Like that's when you have a clutch slipping.
Yeah, it
Like
washes the heat.
that's
doesn't it?
like yeah. Because that won't grip
So I
onto that
wonder.
anymore.
So I wonder if me slipping it, bro, just heated it up so much, and then I've done my first gear launch, and it's like stuck to it. Like
Yeah.
obviously first gear it's stuck, and then when I've gone to go to second, it's just been like, nah,
Hasn't
we're
been
stuck
able to
on
come
there,
off. Yeah,
and that's why I couldn't put it in gear. And then I
We took the clutch off. Turns out gearbox is fine. Clutch welded a puck to the flywheel. Just went to Mark Haynes's. Got a new flywheel and the Ugga Dugga to get it off because we couldn't get it off. And so yeah, we're gonna swap the flywheels over and Greg will order a clutch, and then we can we're just gonna put the whole box back on because there's nothing wrong with it, and it's better because it's got it's got a push conversion.
Yeah.
Push type conversion in it, which is better than the old pull type. So you gonna swap these over now.
Oh, it's loud. Yeah, boy.
It turned. Is it hand tight?
No.
Oh, right.
Yes. But we want to leave it on a bit, right?
Yeah.
Did not, because we got us
Yeah,
to
yeah.
So
Yeah.
sick boy.
I hope the camera got that. Because I could totally hit it. It's kind of heavy. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, we didn't ask him if we should replace that spigot. But
Nah, I'm just not gonna bother.
yeah, I'm gonna be
smells weird.
sweet. Engine oil. Where is it?
Just at the back of there.
Wait, is that your rear
Does
main
that?
seal?
Oh, that must hold against. Yeah, it goes into that.
Is it seal all good? Oh yeah, maybe it's just like assembly oil or something for that.
Oh, because that seal goes on the outside of that.
Yeah.
Hopefully the other one's all good. I know all rusted around that when you make sure that's clean.
Wait, what?
When you make sure
Ah.
the old one, the new one,
Oh yeah.
because it needs to seal on that.
Yeah.
I
Probably
think it goes against. Yeah.
boy, oh boy. This one's heavy.
You gotta line that key
Go
hole.
about there, I think.
Yep. There we go. Oh, GG. Oh, that's the end of that for today.
Sweet. Just needs a good degrees off when we chuck the
Yeah, and get
brake thing off when we.
order a new clutch kit.
Yep.
Sure.